Are you reading it?
Yeah, I'm just to read this short time. Okay. So that means I will not read this. I will not read this. It's only the questions. Okay. But let me tell them. Come. No, you can read it now. You can read it. After the reading, then you can ask your question.
No, I read.
Good morning. My name is Ahmed Nda Baba Yakub. It's okay now. My name is Ahmed Nda Baba Yakub. I want to present some allegations and some things put in right. I think by reading it, everyone will understand. The recent protest, which took place in Abuja, that was tagged "Wike must go," is a show of shame by the fraudulent elements who are not indigenes of FCT. The FCT minister, in the person of Honorable Barrister Nelson Wike, are showing capacity, excellence, and productivity. The minister of FCT, who has insisted that all contractors who have the collected contracts from the past administration without delivering should all return to site and make sure the job are done. The side protests, they say the protests are corruption fighting back the FCT minister, who trying all his best to restore the lost glory of FCT from the hands of land grabber with fake companies. The FCT minister is the man of action who have, in the last few months, kicked the ball rolling in the positive directions with the indigenes and residents of FCT call on the perpetrators of these crimes against FCT minister. That is Honorable Barrister Nelson Wike has a lot job to do in FCT. He should not be distracted so that he can replicate what he did in Rivers State for us. As he is tested and trusted as indigenes and residents of FCT, we are here to pass a vote of confidence on the impact measure Honorable Barrister Nelson Wike is taking to make FCT a home for all. Where our rights as indigene and resident will be protected. We also use this medium to say thank you to Mr. President for appointing Wike as FCT minister. Thank you.
So which additional information you want to add?
The additional information that I want to use, the Honorable Minister of FCT, we the indigene of FCT, we have suffered a lot in the hands of most of the ministers. Most of us have been relocated from our origin home to where we are not happy about. But we know with this opportunity, we trust him, we believe him, and we know that he can do it because he has done it in a River State. We are crying to him to help us with the indigene. Most of our primary care, our primary school, we don't have a good road, our women are suffering, and the indigene are not well-being. We are not participating in any government that comes. But with this Nixon, we are pleaded to him. The residents, the indigenes and the residents are not happy about past administration, but we believe we are crying to him to make sure that we, the indigene and the resident, we are happy again in the FCT. And we are praying to him with God. God will support him and achieve the aim.
My name's High Chief Seriel Okabi Okemiri, a resident of FCT. Well, so far so good. The minister is trying. Just about a few months ago, he was sworn in. We have seen a lot of changes. I saw these miscreants disturbing us here are no more. The issue of land grabbing is now history. So, and we're happy as things are moving on now. At least we are sure we are accepted in Abuja. If you have your house, we are sure of your CFO. Not like before, if you build a house, you'll be fearing, when will I have my CFO? And the truth of the matter is that if you have a property in Abuja without CFO, you don't have a property because you can go there anytime. But since he has made it open now that people should endeavor and try and get their CFO, it's a welcome development to all residents of Abuja FCT. So I commend him for that. And I will also plead to him to look at the welfare of workers. It's very important. Mass transit is very important. You know that the fuel subsidy has gone, and there's no how it will come back again. So the only way to augment it is to make sure we have mass transit, so people can have some share of the government. That's very important. That's my own contribution there. So I welcome him to our FCT. Thank you very much.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.